Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Assembly for the 13th of December 2020, the last week of the academic year of 2020. And you know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for at Grange, our CC way. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We all want to be trying our best. We always want to be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us to make great choices as we live our lives, and we want to never, ever be giving up. So we always ask ourselves, what is true strength? How can we become strong, and stronger so that we can live our best lives? And we know there's physical strength and character strength. And we know that physical strength, well, it's in our body and it helps us to overcome physical challenges, and it's really important. But we know that the real strength is in our character. It's the strength deep inside us that can help us to overcome any challenge and helps us to solve any problem that we face as we go along in our lives. And that's why we always say at Grange that the real strength is character strength. Build your character strength, exercise your character strength, because it helps you to solve problems. And whenever you face a problem in life, ask yourself, which character strength am I going to use? Because if you use your character strength, then actually you will solve the problem and you'll come out even stronger and even more productive in living your life in the best way. We've learned about the virtues. Virtues are good things. So we learned about 5 virtues so far. There's 6, but here are the 5 we've learned about. We've learned about wisdom, which is deep thinking, using all the things you learn about, all your experience, every bit of knowledge you've got to make great decisions. Courage is when you've got something to do, you go ahead and you do it. You don't let anything stop you. Transcendence is live your life in a way that takes you to a higher level. It's not just about getting through the day. It's about finding meaning in your life and making your life meaningful. And temperance is finding balance in life. Not getting too overexcited, not just getting through the day, but living life with good balance. And humanity, well, those are all the things that make us human beings. Our kindness, our love, our care for everybody around us, so that we care about the world, make the world a good place for all of us, for ourselves and for other people. And today I wanted to speak about the virtue of courage. So we've spoken so far about courage, and courage is really getting on with the good things that we need to do in our lives. And we've learned about character strengths that make up courage. We've learned about bravery, and bravery is the character strength that if you've got something good that you need to do, like a task in your class or a task at home to help somebody, you get on with it. You don't worry, what if I don't get it right? What if I'll look stupid? You just go ahead and you just do your task. You tackle your task. That's bravery. Now, honesty is what happens if you're doing your task, but things go a little bit wrong. Maybe you make a little bit of a mistake. Well, you own up to that mistake. You're honest about it. And you work out where you can improve, you take responsibility for that, and you start again. And with that honesty, again, you actually improve and grow. And today we're speaking about the character strength of perseverance. And perseverance means keeping going. Because often when you've got something that's really important to do, it's sometimes easy to start, or it's easier to start, but then you get to a point and you think, oh no, I can't anymore. I just want to give up. I've just had enough. I can't anymore. But if you find that character strength, that strength inside yourself to keep going at the thing that is good, then ultimately you will accomplish it, achieve it. You'll feel proud of yourself and you will have grown as a person. So perseverance means keeping on going, even when the going gets tough. So here's an image, and if you want to in your class, depends on what your adults want to do with you, you could stop over here, pause, and just think about this particular image that you're looking at, and think about the power of perseverance, the power of keeping going even when it seems like you've hit a wall and you can't go through. So what do you see with this image? How do you find the strength inside yourself to persevere, to use the character strength of perseverance to keep going? If you want to pause here, you can pause, reflect, and discuss. Okay, so let's try and think of ways that we can really use powerful perseverance actions and put them into our lives. Now, number one is sometimes we start hearing that voice. I just can't do it anymore. I want to give up. I have to give up. So one of the really powerful, brave perseverance actions that you could do is take a break. Not a long break, not like go, let's say, for example, you're supposed to do your homework and you're doing your homework, but you just, I can't do this homework anymore. I've just had enough of it. One of the things you could do is have a short break. Now you time yourself. Let's say I'm going to have a 5-minute break. And in this 5-minute break, I'll just play a little bit with a ball or something like that, just to relax myself. As long as you time yourself, as long as you keep your break to the time that you agreed with yourself, let's say 5 minutes, and you can come back often refreshed and really finish the task. So one of the powerful perseverance actions is take a break. Another one is be true to yourself. Is like sometimes when you really are struggling and you say, I can't carry on, I just can't go on with this anymore. Let's say, for example, you were helping a friend, but you just like, I just don't have time for this anymore. I want to go and do my own things. I don't want to carry on helping my friend. If you go and you be true to yourself and you say, why am I doing this? Because I am a good friend, because a good friend really helps their friend, takes the time out to do it. If you can think about the reasons why this is a good thing, and you know inside yourself it's a good thing to do, that often helps you to keep going, and that helps you to persevere by being true to yourself, by realizing just why you are doing this. And number 3 is be a supportive friend to yourself. Sometimes there's this little voice in our head that just goes, I've just had enough, I can't, I just want to stop, I just want to give up. Imagine that you are a friend to yourself. So when that little voice starts in your head, you sit down like a good friend to yourself and you say to that voice in your head, now come on, I know you want to give up, I know you're a bit tired, I know you're a bit fed up, but remember, this is a good thing to do, and you are really a good person, and you're good at this, and you can do this the way that you would support a good friend. Be a good friend to yourself and support yourself, and then you will find the strength to persevere and really accomplish what you set out to accomplish. So those are really powerful perseverance actions. There you can see the little guy with these problems that he's facing in his life. And we can just think to ourselves, what problems does perseverance solve? Often, perseverance solves the most amazing things in life, because often if you keep going at something that's really good for you, if you keep going, if you keep at the task, if you finish the project, if you've finished what you're supposed to be doing, when you finish it, you have a real sense of accomplishment. You feel amazing, you feel great, and you have even more strength to tackle the next problem. So that's our Grange CC way. Be confident for yourself. Realize just how great you are and be considerate. Care about everybody else, especially when we're walking in the corridor. Just remember, you might be coming back from break and, you want to talk about break and talk really loudly, but there are people learning inside their classroom, so be considerate for them as well. So be confident and look out for yourself and enjoy life, but be considerate, care about others. And that's our Grange philosophy for life. That's why we achieve so much at Grange. And this is why we have stars of the week who have achieved gold and have been recognized by their teachers and educators. Well done, Amy. Well done, Walid. Well done, Catalina. Well done, Joseph. Well done, Deanna. Well done, Bassett. Well done, Maya T. Fantastic to see all of you. And here is a Grange House of Water with 3,726 points, which is an amazing total for a week. Now, all of you, if your name is here, you have been doing amazing CC character strength actions. Atif, Zakaria, Maya, Karunyan, Zainab, Sami, Joseph, Aini, Deja, Hodan, Amar, Dima, Delia, Yusuf, Maya, Dennis. And we're going over the page. And here we go. Amy, fantastic. So now if your name flies in, you've been like super amazing CC achiever. Well done, Simina, with an incredible 76 points. And if you get the swivel, well, that is just amazing and awesome. Khalif with an incredible 167 points. Brilliant. Grange House of Fire, 3,112 points. Look at Sebastian. Fantastic to see your name there, Sebastian. Keep that up. Pasha, brilliant. Avi, Jori, Aaron, Gala, Nia, Daim, Vienna, Sarah, Ananga, Jeshwin, Ruel. Well done, all of you. Who's flying in? Jahim, fantastic with 40. Leo, 42. Brilliant. Laurentio, 49. Abdi Rahman with 62. And not yet the swivel. Rocky Sun with 67. And the swivel goes to Emeld with 94. Brilliant. And here we go, the Grange House of Air, 3,139 points. Well done, Mustafa, Fahad, Yaksh, Andrada, Martina, Ahmed, Ananya, Adrian, Lauren, Sophie, Adna, Farah. Brilliant. And flying in, Ibrahim, Uzair, Daria, Anna Maria. And the swivel goes to Walid with 70 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Earth, 3,614 points. First time we've had a week where all the houses have exceeded 3,000 points in 1 week. Well done to Ansh, Leland, brilliant. Afsa, Hassan, Lorik, Renaya, Sharia, Louisa, Afshin, Catalina, Zara, M, Jade, Zakira, flying in is Sammy, Jacob, well done. And the swivel goes to Nehara with 64 points. Brilliant work, everybody. The Grange community, 13,591 points. I think that's probably the best we've had so far, which is absolutely brilliant. Who's Mr. Kerbel's classy classes? Well, Holmes class, you've been brilliant with 415. Beckham class, even better with 660. But the swivel goes to Ennis class with 896 points. And well done for an amazing period of remote learning, but you've come back even stronger. We are so proud of you and so happy to have you back, Ennis class. Well done. Autumn 1 total was 47,561. Our half-term target was 50,000 points. We have made it. Look at us on 69,294 points. Brilliant work. We made it. And that's why we got Freddie and we got the reindeer. And we are so proud of ourselves, and we can start thinking already about setting ourselves a target. We beat 50,000. What's going to be our target for spring 1, next half term? And what are we going to reward ourselves with at the end of the half term? First half term, we rewarded ourselves with a visit from Freddie. Second half term, with a visit from the amazing reindeer. Well, what's going to be our reward? If you've got suggestions, you can send them in to me. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.